As you can see, I've been doing a little bit of work to this thing. Got a brand new battery. Carburetor's been rebuilt. All brand new hoses, plugs, wires, cap, rotor, coil. So far, just in parts, I have about 400 bucks in this thing. Radiator held water just fine. About ready to put some new fresh antifreeze in it. To get a new belt. About the hardest thing so far I found to find for this thing is a oil filter. Still looking around trying to find the right oil filter. I mean, I have changed the oil in it, but that's still got the original filter in there. I'm trying to change that out as soon as possible, as soon as I find one. You think Napa or O'Reilly's or somewhere along that would be able to find one, but apparently it's a crossover. I think it's one of the early ones built in the year and still between 56 and 57. And got one in the truck I'm going to try out here shortly. Let's try starting it up. Windows, it smells bad and it's hot in here. Got a little leak in the exhaust. It does run drive. Need to clean out the fuel tank still, so I got my custom oil bottle fuel tank. Doesn't have very much in it, so it's not going to run for very long. So that's a cold start right there. After all the tune-up stuff, you can't really go wrong with that. And we're out of gas. So I'm going to go ahead and probably the next part of this project will be pulling the gas tank, cleaning it out. Possibly it's going to get a new fuel pump. I haven't got that far yet to see if the old one still works or not. Then I move on to brakes. So I've checked in Napa. You can still get a brake master cylinder rebuild kit, as well as wheel cylinder rebuild kits for the 1-tons. Hopefully they're the right thing. We'll see. I've made numerous trips so far trying to get the right parts. And yeah, so I'll get this video uploaded for you and let you guys check it out and tell me what you think. Thanks.